Tyler Mill here from the receiving department at Loewen Windows. Just a quick improvement idea that the team came up with. So we have on our glass carts, our glass is pretty large sometimes, and what we're finding is when we're trying to push our glass carts, it's really difficult. It's difficult to maneuver them. There's no handles, there was nothing to move these carts with. It becomes a safety issue as well. So they made an improvement idea to add a handle that extends out, and I will show you that shortly. So here are the new cart handles that we have made and had our maintenance department apply for us. So now when you have a glass cart, it accommodates a very, very large size glass, and basically you can push it in, you can pull it out, and it allows you to be able to move the carts wherever you need to without having to hold the glass. Reducing safety incidents and making it easier to handle our glass. Thanks for watching.